Welcome to this tutorial on how to use an Etoro demo account. A demo account is a risk-free way to practice trading and investing with virtual money. To get started, go to the Etoro website and click on Sign Up. Fill out the registration form with your details and verify your email address. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be given the option to start with a demo account. The demo account is preloaded with $100,000 in virtual money, which you can use to practice trading. The demo account works exactly like a real account, but with virtual money, so you can try out different strategies and get a feel for the platform without risking any real money. To navigate the platform, click on the Trade Markets tab to view the different assets available, including currencies, commodities, stocks and cryptocurrencies. You can browse through the various markets and select the asset you want to trade. Use the search bar to quickly find a specific asset. To place a trade, click on the buy or sell button and enter the amount you want to trade. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. The demo account allows you to practice using different trading strategies, such as leverage and margin, and to get used to the different types of orders, including market orders and limit orders. In addition to practicing trading, the demo account also allows you to get familiar with the Etoro platform and its features, such as the news feed and the economic calendar. You can also use the demo account to follow and copy other traders, which can be a great way to learn from more experienced traders and to get ideas for your own trading strategy. To switch to a real account, click on the Deposit Funds button and follow the instructions to add real money to your account. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means. The demo account is a great way to get started with trading and investing, and it can help you to build your skills and confidence before you start trading with real money.